Hi, I'm Jamila, brainchild of Color Me Crafty. And in this video, we are going to sublimate on a glow-in-the-dark tumbler. I have done a glow-in-the-dark tumbler before, and you can find that video above. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you smash the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's go ahead and get into it. You're going to need your glow-in-the-dark tumbler. This one is green. Maybe some tweezers. I always have them on hand just in case. Scissors or a paper cutter. Your print, shrink wrap, heat gloves, and an air fryer or other press. And something for your tumbler to cool on. So the first thing I like to do is I like to trim the print flush. So I'd like to trim off all the white on the design. On both sides. And I do this because the design is pre-sized to fit around the mug perfectly. So if I've cut the edges off, then I know whether or not it's fitting together right or not. This design actually has a finished edge here, and to prep our cup, our mug, like I said, this one is a green glow-in-the-dark. I am going to use my lint roller. It's fresh out of the box, so my hands are clean, so I'm not going to use any alcohol or anything. I am going to remove this sticker off of the bottom. And I don't know if I said this or not at the beginning, but you also are going to need heat tape. So you start wrapping at the finished edge because you want that finished edge to lay flat against your tumbler. And line your design up. And you want the edges to touch. Tape the middle first, and when I tape, I pull so that there is a little bit of an overlap. And you're gonna feel like you're ripping the paper, but you're not going to. Just keep taping and pulling, making sure that everything touches. Next, I am going to sit or kind of run my fingers around the bottom, and you want to run your fingers the same direction that you wrapped your wrap. Slide the tumbler into the shrink wrap. There's no need to pre-shrink because when we get it over to the air fryer, it's going to shrink itself. I already pulled it out and set it down to cool. And we're going to go ahead and take off all the tape and the shrink wrap and stuff and reveal our design. But let's see what it looks like in the back. You can see at the top where I missed my seam, but still very cool. The seam came together really nicely. And the design, I love the way the design came out. This tumbler was done on an iridescent, just for reference, and this one is our glow in the dark. They both look really, really cool.